Everybody, I'm going to make a video walking you through how to complete an assignment in Think Central. So the very first thing you have to do is go to the District 102 website. If you don't do that, you will not be able to get into Canvas, and then we will both have a sad day. So please go to District 102's website, go to Canvas, you're going to click there. Then you are going to put in your username with the first four of your last, first four of your first, and then at dist102.k12.il.us, and then you're going to put in your password and click log in. Then you're going to go into your class. We are in either 4th grade or 5th grade. This will not make any difference for you. So we are in the class. You can see that. We are going to click Think Central. So we go to the correct site. We see that we are in the country, United States, the state, Illinois. The district is LaGrange Elementary School, District 102. And our school, no matter where you actually go to school, for this purpose is Congress Park Elementary School. We click the Remember My School. And I am going to pretend to be this wonderful gentleman here. And you can see that it is his first four of both with 102. Then I am going to put in the password. And now I'm going to click log in. Now, when I do that, it takes me to this page here where you can see things to do. You can see my library. You can see my scores. You need to go to things to do. And in here, you'll see all your assignments. If you need to go back out to those other pages, you can see you have those options over here. So it says click the done button to let your teacher know you've completed your assignment. And so here I have this set to all assignments. And right now I only have one assignment. It is called Homework 1.1 Personal Trainer. It was assigned by me, the subject is math, and the due date is September 16th, 2020. So all you need to do is highlight that and click, and you can see it is in progress. So this is just a tutorial on how to do everything. You can read that on your own. I'm going to go ahead and click Go to Activity. And so from there, you can see you're going to read this very, very carefully. You're going to then fill in this section. You are going to then make some other selections, and then you are going to click Next. And you can see, again, just make sure you fill in all of the parts. You're going to have another selection, and then you are going to click, oh, where did next go? Oh, that is question 3. Oops. So, sorry, I actually skipped the first question. So let's just say that we need to go back. So question 1 was here. Oh no, I answered those. Let me take out those awesome answers. So maybe they're not right though, so make sure you read it carefully. So anyway, this is question number 1. This is question number 2, and you can see how you toggle between them. Now, you also can see you have some options over here. They've got some examples that will help you. There's some step-by-step instructions that will walk you through everything. You can see too, you can go back into your textbook as a reference. There's an option to print, but we probably won't be using that. So you can save it and close it, but that is not actually the best thing. So once you finish this, you are going to click the Turn It In button. That way I have it in my system. I can send it back to you, give feedback to you. That way too you can get graded and all that other good stuff. So that is our little walkthrough. This is what we're going to do now. And let me know if you have any questions. Bye.